In this episode, we're on the east side of Turks and Caicos. We're anchored along this picturesque beach, and we explore by land and sea. We get a lot of diving in, and Simo has her perfect day. However, when it's all said and done, it's time for us to leave and ship out to the Dominican Republic. And don't forget to like and subscribe. For those of you who know us best, you know that we love fire. And while exploring this beach, we found this old abandoned boat. So you know, we could only think about one thing.
Oh, that would be so cool. If we burn this thing down.
That would be cool and also not cool.
That would hurt. We'd have to do it from the water because we'd be cooking.
Well, I just think it would be not cool because this is cool.
Oh, yeah.
Fire.
While exploring the beach, you'll never know what you might find. It could be shark teeth, jewelry, and even fossils. And I found something I'll never forget.
Wow! Whoa, fossils! Those are called diclopods. Yeah, come here and check out one of these diclopods. Yeah, diclopods. Prehistoric.
Before making this episode, I knew absolutely nothing about chittens. And I previously made up their name to something else. However, we can all agree they look prehistoric.
What do you like most? And what do you like least about TNC?
Okay. A turtle just popped his head up. The turtles. Ooh, the food's really good. Really pretty water. Nice and clear. What I like least? I don't think the land portion's that pretty. Like, it's all pretty developed. There's actually kind of a lot of cars and stuff.
Look at your shirt.
What do you mean?
You just look like a dirty mess right now.
I am a dirty mess.
Like, I've been wearing this shirt for probably like 8 days, maybe longer, since the last time we did laundry, which was...
Oh, it was on Valentine's Day, so over 2 weeks ago. This one passes the sniff test for sure.
Then it's still clean. We got some, we have a stick of flint, and I'm gonna try and teach Carol how to start a fire. I have not been so successful myself, but I still got some old tools in the bank that I gotta refresh. Step 1 is get the lighter. Oh yeah, that's right. Step 2, shave the magnesium on the wood. Step 3, get a blowtorch. Step 4, use the blowtorch. And that's how you use a magnesium strip to start a fire.
Cool. I'm so excited because today is my perfect day. We're going to beach yoga with our friends. Well, we're here and I'm with Bimo. And we're going to beach yoga with our friends. We're going diving. I bet we'll have another beach fire. And maybe we'll play poker again. Yep. So yeah, this is my ideal day.
It was amazing to see such beautiful marine life while diving. I think it has in part to do with spearfishing being illegal. It also has to do with being in the middle of the Atlantic Ocean and very dramatic depths. It was almost a perfect dive. Then, an equipment malfunction brought us to the surface. It was time to head home on fumes.
Right.
Really don't want to run out of gas. Not a bad way to spend the day. Got some diving in. Made new friends. So now we're gonna go back to Craig's boat, because that's where the party's at. Ask people how the dive-ins went.
We're just leaving our anchorage where we were with all of our friends, and we're going back to Sapodilla to get groceries and fuel and do laundry, and then we're gonna head to the DR. We keep like going back and forth if we want to go to Puerto Plata or to Samana, but it's like 100 more miles to go to Samana, which is where we want to go, but we think we're just gonna go to Puerto Plata.
Yeah, we got Cody coming in, so it's like a 4-stop in one.
Cruising is always dealing with stuff during the most inopportune times.
I don't know, our engine just cut out there.
For those of you who are looking at getting into boating, if you don't like the stress of your engine cutting out or things breaking, maybe you should reconsider. During this point of our cruising season, I didn't know anything about engines. So my idea of fixing something was just cranking the engine until it started.
Here we are. We just moved to Southside Marina again. Simo's whipping up some breakfast.
Woo.
I've got my documentation. We're gonna go and try and check out. Also pick up Cody because we have a 280-mile sail to the DR. Gonna go to Samana.
We're so excited.
Yeah, we've been talking about this moment since we realized we wanted to go south.
I will miss the Turks though.
What will you miss about the trip?
I've had fun here with our friends buddy boating. We've gotten to check out like cool restaurants, and we have had some good swimming and like diving and stuff. So definitely miss like being able to fish and like, you know, do that with BMO and stuff. But it's been like fun here.
Of course, that means we have a couple more projects. I gotta put some more lower unit fluid in this because this keeps cutting out on me. I've got everything set up. I'm gonna go talk to the guy, the customs guy first, make sure everything's all hunky-dory before I break this apart because we have a meeting with him in about an hour.
Okay, Cody's here, which means I don't have to pull up the anchor anymore. Andy brought the windlass, but he hasn't installed it yet.
Cody back on board. We got this guy checked out before he checked in. Cody's got all the parts, dude. Illegally smuggling parts. See ya, Taco. See ya, Turks. Or bye, Provo.
So we just pretty much all moved like 70 miles yesterday to get to right here where we're at, because we're all trying to stage to go to the DR, but we had this weather window that could get us to Samana where we want to go, but that closed. Like, we woke up this morning, refreshed our weather, and now it's dang near impossible to get there. So we're trying to decide if we want to go to straight south, Puerto Plata, or if we want to go straight south and then motor to Samana. But the problem is the first boat just left, and he said it's rough out there right now because we're just getting easterly winds.
And he's a big boat.
Yeah, he's got a big stable boat, and he's like, it stinks. So he just sent a video of how rough it is, and now I'm trying to watch it. Our plan is, I think we're gonna try and pick up the anchor right around 10 or 11, and then go pretty much sail straight south, and then try to motor if it looks favorable.
Sweet.
Yeah.
But for now,
I'm gonna go chase Simo's booty around.
we're gonna go swim because we're at this cool spot.
Say it hurts to live this way. I don't mind the pain, and I like to feel the shame of it.
We're starting a 220-mile passage. Our Garmin doesn't go that far though. Look, it'll only read to the DR, and then I go to zoom in, and it says maps can't be updated. We've reached the limit, so we're gonna have to use the iPad pretty much the whole way. You know, our friends in front of us reported seeing some whales, so we're hoping to see some whales as well. And we have a fishing competition going on if we could ever get there, but no sailing, just motoring, and then the wind should shift throughout the evening, and then we'll be able to sail and then motor and sail the motor. Got some good swell.
Finally going in the right direction, but boy am I nauseous. That one's nauseous too, that's why she had to go outside in the middle of dinner. Smell these pits.
You know I will. We're ready, Barbie.
Okay, follow these knots. Those knots. Follow these knots. Figure it out, everybody.
Thank you.